Here's HTML in 60 seconds. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Where hypertext means clickable links, markup means structured tags, and language means a set of rules for writing code. Every HTML file starts with this. It tells the browser this is an HTML5 document. Then we use tags like HTML, head, and body. The head contains the title and settings. The body holds what users see. To start an HTML file, type ! in VS Code. Then hit Tab, and it will generate an HTML template. HTML is markup language, so that means we use tags. We have opening and closing tags. We also have self-closing tags, for example images. HTML works with CSS and JavaScript. CSS makes HTML look good. For example, this is website without CSS. And this is the same website with CSS.